Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Acute. Acute means severe, intense. For example, an acute housing shortage. An acute housing shortage. Synonyms: severe, critical, drastic.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. An acute shortage of experienced staff is undermining growth, says Wang. Now, repeat after me. An acute shortage of experienced staff is undermining growth, says Wang. The second exemplar. Currently, American businesses are experiencing acute shortages of highly skilled IT professionals. Now, repeat after me. Currently, American businesses are experiencing acute shortages of highly skilled IT professionals. The third exemplar. The situation is particularly acute in Dublin and in areas classified as disadvantaged. Now, repeat after me. The situation is particularly acute in Dublin and in areas classified as disadvantaged.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The phrase, "long time no see," is a literal translation of a Chinese phrase. It comes from the Mandarin phrase, "how ju bugn." No go and no can do are also similarly borrowed from Chinese.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.